Good morning. It's our second day here in Bangkok. Bangkok. And today we're going to the Royal Pala. Wat Pho.
And
Wat Arun.
Wat Arun.
Yes. So, Royal Palace. And yeah, and then later, if we have time, I don't know. I'm still confused. Maybe we go to Chatuchak. I don't know. We still have so many time after this. So, yeah, but we have to go back to the hostel by 12 to check out. And then we'll try to figure it out. And she's all just up for the pala. Ooh. Alright, so we're gonna take the Chao Phraya River boat. And then we're gonna get off at the pier for Wat Arun, Wat Pho, and Grand Pala. Here at the pier at the Chao Phraya River. Hi, so we're here at the pier and we're waiting for the orange flag boat. And then we're gonna get off at Tatien, Pier Tatien, or Fra Tatien. I don't know. So yeah, the boat should be here anytime soon. I think it's just 15 baht. Sure, you saw it. Okay. Wat Arun. Sawadika. Okay, so this is the Wat Arun, and before you can go up, way up at the top, entrance is 50 baht per person. So right now this is all that. This is all where you can go. Okay, that was
Wat Arun.
Wat Arun, and yeah, it's so sunny, it's so hot. entrance for Wat Arun again is 50 baht per person. As of this time, you can't go way up to the top like before. So you can only go up to the second level. Okay, so we're gonna cross the river now and we go to Wat Pho. We're gonna cross to Wat Pho via this ferry. Just 4 baht to cross the river. Right across Wat Arun. So we're buying ticket for Wat Pho, 100 baht. Yeah, in the middle. Gotcha. Second mission complete. Okay, that was Wat Arun and Wat Pho. We're gonna go back to our hostel and check out. We're gonna do the Grand Palace some other day because there's so many people today. It's a special day. It's 11/11 and we don't wanna go through all of those people. It's a Sunday, so yeah, double lucky day. Now we're gonna go back to the hostel, check out, and go to Chatuchak Market. So ayun na nga, bes. Nandito na kami sa Chatuchak Weekend Market. So that papakin shopping. So they say this is the biggest market in all of Bangkok. I don't know about Thailand, but as far as Bangkok is concerned, this is the biggest. And we're gonna have to get lunch first because we're starving. Yes. Hello, Chatuchak.
one, 100.
Okay, so we're waiting for Tom Yum. And we have, what's this? Beef noodle with balls. I don't know what that is. Oh, this is pork. Kamis? Sinigang sa kamyas. Tom Yum. Someone hungry.
Yeah, 100. I'm so excited. It's 100.
Shopping mode kami ngayon. She's so excited about 100 baht. And then I'm excited about coconut ice cream.
No, mango.
You want mango? So we bought shirts already for 128 pesos for me, and then Papa bought 80 pesos. So 4 for 200. So yeah, it's so cheap. Okay, so we're trying the coconut ice cream and
Mango ice cream.
mango ice cream. And we have pineapple topping, nata de coco, and strawberry. Okay, now let's try the mango with strawberry.
Aloy na.
Nice, ah. Okay, dandan? Oo, kasha yan. That's it for our Chatuchak Market Day. Thanks to the power of Sodalin, we get super discounts. And yeah, we're gonna try to make a whole video of the things we bought today. We'll see you back at the hotel.